Unlock your potential in game development with Backstage Pass Institute of Gaming. 1-year Advanced Diploma in Game Development. Now available online. Certified by Lincoln University College, Malaysia. Throughout this program, you'll immerse yourself in a comprehensive curriculum designed to provide you with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the gaming industry. By the end of the program, you'll have the ability to develop games across multiple genres using Unity 3D game engine, gaining practical experience and mastering the game development lifecycle. Focus on Unity 3D for expert level knowledge, drawing insights from successful games to enhance your projects. Explore concepts in artificial intelligence, gameplay programming, graphics programming using OpenGL and game mechanics, and also gain hands-on experience applying industry techniques. Additional 50 hours of free live online sessions covering game design concepts, level design, game design document. Join us and take the first step towards a rewarding career in game development. Enroll now.